Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the historical
Eric
development of
Ashby in
educational technology.
1967 mentioned about four revolutions in education and termed development of educational technology as the fourth revolution. In the first revolution, the work of educating the children was shifted to teachers and schools from parents and homes. Before this first revolution, it was the responsibility of parents to educate children at home. But during the first revolution, educating the young ones became the responsibility of teachers and schools. In second revolution, during this period of time, written words as tools of education came into being. Earlier, education was only through spoken word. In third revolution, the print media evolved and therefore teaching material in terms of books became available. In fourth revolution, this period relates to the development of systems, concept and electronic media. The fourth revolution is extremely beneficial in making instructions interesting, understandable, productive, scientific, and increasing the rate of learning, while enabling the teacher to teach less and the learner to learn more. There are some landmarks in the history of educational technology are International Exhibition of Maps, Charts, Textbooks at Vienna in 1873. Next one, subsequent exhibition at Paris in 1878 and Melbourne in 1880. In 1926 to 27, by Sidney L. Pressey, he developed a self-teaching machine called Drum Tutor. In 1920s, British Broadcasting Corporation BBC started school broadcasts. In 1943, B.F. Skinner developed program learning. Harvard University in 1955 started team teaching, followed by Lexington 1957 to 1964. In 1956, Benjamin S. Bloom gave the concept of taxonomy of educational objectives. During 1960, use of television for educational purposes started. In 1961, D.W. Allen developed the micro-teaching technique. The computer assisted instruction CAI was developed by O.K. Moore in 1966. Use of computers in education became a regular practice since 1974. N.A. Flanders 1967 gave the concept of interaction model, which is called Flanders interaction analysis. Internet was introduced during 1968. Development of education technology in Indian perspective. In 1952 to 53, Secondary Education Commission first time emphasized the use of audiovisual aids in the field of education as in foreign countries. In 1965, Indian Association of Program Learning IAPL established. Around 1970s, NCERT, Center of Advanced Study Barodara, and many universities and education departments focused on the intensive research work in this area. Center for Education Technology, also known as CET, was established in 1973. Center for Education Technology during 1974 to 75 started an experiment named as Satellite Instructional Television Experiment, also known as SITE. Ministry of Education organized a national workshop on educational broadcasting in 1980. In February 1980, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting set up a working group to draw a detailed software plan for INSET TV utilization. National Policy of Education 1986 greatly emphasized for the first time that how the quality of education should be improved by the use of educational technology. Computers were introduced in the Indian school education in the middle of 1980s through the CLASS project. Central Institute of Education and Technology CIET at central level was established in 1984. Audiovisual Research Center AVRCs and Educational Media Research Centers EMRCs also constructing the educational programs for universities and college level students. Thank you dear friends and students for watching this video. Thank you.